Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be doing my 100 subscriber giveaway video. So I'm super excited to be sharing with you what I purchased for you guys, for always giving me the love and support on my channel. So I did pick up from Sephora and Bath and Body Works, and I also got an extra gift for you guys. So I hope you guys stick around and enjoy this video. Sephora bag here. Sephora like travel kit. It's Fenty Beauty Makeup Milk Super Gooey Defense Refined Resetting Mist, 4-in-1 Setting Mist, Makeup Eraser, and little cloth so you could clean off your makeup. So I picked up the freezing mask from Sephora, and then I also picked up this. I do have it wrapped for you guys. This is a eyeshadow palette, Profusion Cosmetics. So this is it. Pretty shades. I don't want to open it for you guys, and it does come with a blending brush as well. I'm gonna put this back in the packaging. I picked up from Bath and Body Works, and I got pink watermelon body mist and the pink watermelon body lotion. So I do hope you guys enter into the giveaway. This will be my last video for the giveaway entry. So what you have to do is like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. So for the comment below, and link your Instagram account so I can DM you. I will be doing that, so please give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below so you guys can enter into the giveaway. I will be picking a random person next week on my following video, so I will let you guys know who won, and I will be using an app just so I could choose like a lucky winner. So hopefully one of you ladies will win, so please enter, and I just hope you guys enjoy my content that I'm putting out. It's been a milestone, and now I'm finally at 100 subscribers, so it's time for me to give back. It all means a lot to me to be doing this giveaway, and yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. I will be uploading on Mondays and Fridays are my days off, so I will be trying to incorporate a video within those days so you guys know when I will be uploading. Let me know in the comments down below also what kind of videos would you like to see from me going into the future, any type of makeup looks for you guys. So like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline S.B. Alright, bye guys, take care.